Today I will show you the easiest and fastest way to start with Flux AI. I'm excited because Flux is free and open source and can generate impressive images in any style you can imagine. But are they better than Midjourney? Let's find out. The first method to run Flux is to visit the Black Forest Lab space in the Hugging Face website, where you can choose between either the Schnell or the Dev model to generate your images. Speaking of model, Flux offers 3 models. Flux Pro, with the highest quality images but is not free. Flux Dev, tailored for developers, and Flux Schnell, ideal for personal use. Back to Hugging Face, start by selecting a model. Say Flux Dev, and you will be directed to an interface for image creation. The interface is very basic. It has a prompt box at the top, and the advanced settings offer options like seed, width, height, guidance scale, and inference steps. The interface doesn't have much to explain, and Flux Pro is missing. But wait, there's a fantastic AI tool that allows us to use Flux Pro for free. So, the second method is a tool called Glyph, and it's an excellent AI workflow builder. To get started, click on Build at the top, then click on Start Building with Glyph Blocks. Now from the list, choose Text Input, and rename the block to Basic Prompt and the input label to Enter Your Prompt. Now, as Glyph supports LLMs like Claude and ChatGPT, you can use it to refine your prompts for the best results. So, select Text Generator LLM and rename the block to Prompt Enhancer. In the prompt field, enter. Take the following image prompt and improve it so that it generates colorful, high-contrast images. Then, add the basic prompt block inside the quotation marks. Under Advanced Controls, choose a model. I will go with Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Now, add another block and choose Image Generator to create your image. Then, link it to the Prompt Enhancer block we created earlier. In the Image Generation Model dropdown, you will get Flux Pro, Flux Dev, and Flux Schnell. But as we want Flux Pro, and Glyph is offering it for free, let's go ahead and select that. Next, under Image Size, choose Landscape 16 by 9. And that's it. We are ready for prompting. On the right, you will see a prompt box with the label we created. Enter your prompt. Here's how the workflow works. It takes the basic prompt you enter, enhances its color and contrast using Claude 3.5, and then generates an image for you. Cool, isn't it? So, let's enter a prompt that says, 4 gorgeous women in bikinis, arm in arm, walking together in unison, and then run this glyph. As you can see, the tool first analyzes the basic prompt, enhances it, and then generates an image based on the optimized prompt. And here's the image it produced. Look at the realism and the blur effect that Flux created in this image. You can also expand the prompt enhancer block on the left to see what the enhanced prompt looks like. As you can see, Claude has transformed our basic prompt into a much more refined and detailed version. If you compare the enhanced prompt to the generated image, you will notice that all the elements have been accurately captured in the image. Here are some more images I generated. You simply need to write your idea in the prompt box, and Claude will enhance your idea into a well-written prompt. And if you want to learn how to use Flux on Google Colab, be sure to watch this video.